Singnot Engti Lokhimon Wanalong Assam Deputy Speaker Dr. Momin kahumri Phaikuni ni Phaiko Hinioni Nilip MSC constituency Kaparlo Singnot Engti Lokhimon Wanalong Bokajan MLA Mate Assam Legislative Assembly Deputy Speaker Dr. Momin Himpen Open Stage Kimi Kang Puponajame Kedengpa Bangso Mai Singnot Engti Lokhimon Dowan Langchari Ahimpen Chupate Piponsi Mesen Pensai Pachunpa Bangso Melong Aluhi Sarpo Man Pen Deputy Speaker Dr. Momin Chitongde Nason Thak Thaksi La Bangso Melong Nilip Local MSC Pabitra Rongpi Tame Chitongde Mayalong Halapu Aluhi Sarpo Assam Deputy Speaker Dr. Momin Pen Kaning Jeponke Kaiki Tame Hemphu Lokhimon Hirjumi Ke Long Pensi Neta Jakong Kirochot Lasi Nikai Sita Jiting ni un lapen Kai Kitami Nang Churap Nang Chutodun Verji Lapen Kopai Kimipen Kibangji MLA Kilik Akhi Jongsi Arnam Akang Hon Pen Haidun Tudet Pulote Singnot Engti Lokhimon Wana Phanta Lak Hoke Butangka MLA Momin Ahim Pen Ningkang Sam Chipajervek Jiputa Rat Angnu Chachakpo Halapu MSC Pabitra Rongpia Him Pen Tami Singnot Arar Phan Kachor Tami Pajor Taka
Hat Pasoli Tabshoto Takatokolo Sound Hokolo Bilak Bosto Ji Muk Dipole to Amaji to tribal manhor traditionally Ibilak Ami exchange Kuri Agata Solicili the Murhor Nataka Belagopa and Murhor Taka Belago do as a hate to Potato Movement Porigal as a Ampul Lokhimon Akibadlo yet Lokhimon Homalambi Local College Honorable Limankambi Moran Dilla Takadama Shiro Kitogo Hitaki. I am always indebted to them for this wonderful hospitality and reception. So today I have inaugurated one open stage from the MLA Fund and this temple is particularly blessed by the Assam government with Assam Darshan. So I am very happy today the day-long program in the Chokirula and the Nilip constituency with Honorable Local MSC Pabitra Rongpi. So this is one of the example of BJP government and Narendra Modi ji Viksit Bharat. So slowly we are trying to develop our each and every corner of my constituency and so far more than 40% development I have done. So within this 9.5 years. I believe that next 5 years, 60-70% work will be completed from this constituency. And I am very lucky that 7 central schools, few of them was residential school sanctioned, few of them are open already, and 1 Sainik school, this is the 2nd Sainik school in the Northeast region is sanctioned in my constituency. So I am very lucky and it will be a very productive for the people of Bokajan LSC. For the future generation, I am giving so many things. Particularly, I give more stress in education, health, and communication. These 3 sectors, I feel that I am successful. And network coverage also now 60-70% network coverage is done already. And rest of the 30%, I am trying hard that every corner of my constituency is connected with the internet, so that modern technology, modern equipment, modern theory, modern development, every people can have the taste of this development. So Narendra Modi ji says, "Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Vishwas, Sabka Prayas." So I urge the people of Bokajan LSC to work together. Don't sit down, don't wait, and whatever you are, whatever resources you have, you develop. So many self-help group, the people they meet me for their help. So most of them I am helping them to start entrepreneurship from the government side also. From my salary also I am helping them so that they can earn and improve their livelihood. So this is my dream to take along the poor people of my constituency. So very innocent people. Most of the time they are looted by the dirty politicians. So I am strongly against those process and I am trying to clean this Bukajan LSC with my maximum capacity and the political power. So I will, in future also, I will work for these poor people so that I can give a direction to them and for their welfare.
Thank you, sir.